The 10-day festivities of the Ganeshotsav will end with preparations beginning for the Grand Ganesh Visarjan. Preparations are underway in Mumbai for the Visarjan. It's a tradition to immerse Lord Ganesha's idol in water as part of the ceremony after Ganesh Chaturthi. Heavy police deployment has been done across the city as well. More than 21,000 police personnel being deployed. My colleagues join us from the ground. Paras joins us from Lal Bagh and Jui joins us from Ganesh Gali. Let me bring in my colleague Paras first. Paras, now as far as the preparations in Mumbai are concerned, Visarjan is the culmination of the 10 days of the festivities. What is the pulse on ground among devotees?
Rightly said, a very important day and these 10 days of festival when Ganesh Chaturthi starts. There are thousands of lakhs of people who visit different pandals and mandirs over Maharashtra and Mumbai, and Maharashtra people celebrate this festival in a very big manner. We are at the Lal Bagh Ka Raja, the one of the biggest pandal in Mumbai, and if you can see over here, the preparation for Visarjan has already been started. There are thousands and thousands of people who has been gathered around the Lal Bagh Ka Raja, where there will be a mega celebration where you can see the devotees of Lal Bagh Ka Raja being already present. If you can see in the visual, the preparation, the rangoli is being made over here. There are different types of dhol tasha which will come in some time to say bye to their loved one Ganpati Bappa. In this entire situation right now, there are security things also which has been done by Lal Bagh Ka Raja also, the Mandal also, and the Mumbai police also. There has been the preparation for Mumbai police. There are more than 18,000 police officials who will be in entire Mumbai on the Visarjan day today. If you can see over here in Lal Bagh Ka Raja, there are home guard officials also over here. There are personal mandals, bodyguard also over here. So all preparation has been done, and Ganesh Chaturthi is immensely celebrated in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Now this is the last day of Ganpati celebration, the Visarjan day. It's called an Anant Chaturthi, and all the preparation has been made. If you can see over here in visuals, all security measures has been taken care of. With that, this time AI camera was also introduced in the Mandal and in the different parts of Mumbai for Ganesh welcome also and for Ganesh Visarjan also. So all the preparation has been done.
Right, Paras, stay on with us. Let me also bring in my colleague Jui joining us from Ganesh Gali. Jui, take us through the preparations on ground. Interestingly, we're learning that the police are going to be using AI as well to support and help the devotees there as well. There's going to be a huge crowd like Paras was showing over there, and about 21,000 police personnel we're learning will be deployed.
Well, if you go to see, Mumbai is all set to bid farewell to their favorite Lord Ganesha, and right now I'm standing at Mumbai's one of the respected pandal, that is Ganesh Gali. Ganesh Gali is Mumbai's first Ganpati, where you can see the height of the murti is of 22 feet, and this is one of the most respected pandals. The preparations have been almost completed. Sharp at 8 o'clock, the farewell aarti will begin, and then after that the procession will begin for the farewell of this Ganesh Chaturthi. As my colleague Paras also said, that more than 20,000 police have been, are being called today on duty because the threat call that Mumbai Police Traffic Division had received yesterday. After that, we can see all the system have gone on an alert mode. More than 20,000 police officials have been deployed for the Ganesh Chaturthi Visarjan for this entire function. And over here in this Ganesh Gali Pandal, if you go to see, the crowd is increasing as the time is passing by, because this is one of the most respected pandal, and once this Ganpati gets out of the pandal, other Ganpatis come out of the pandal. It is said it is a tradition which is followed by the other Ganpati pandals also. The preparations are completed. Police are also all set. Police are taking care that there will be no chaos, no crowd shall be gathered, and no one gets scared. Are the precautions that are taken by the police. So yes, today is a very big day, especially especially for Mumbai. Even at Girgaon Chowpatty, Juhu Chowpatty, police officials have been deployed and are taking extra precautions because of the threat call. At 8 o'clock, this procession will begin, and then after that, entire Mumbai, the streets of Mumbai will be flooded because lakhs of people visit Mumbai to see this festival of Ganesh Visarjan.
Well, thank you, Juhi and Paras, for joining us and bringing us an update on what the preparations look like in Mumbai. My colleague Revati brings us updates from Pune.
With heavy hearts, but yet with full enthusiasm, every individual in Maharashtra is bidding adieu to their beloved Bappa. Today, the Visarjan procession starts at around 9:15 a.m. with the Manache 5, which are the important 5 Ganpatis of Pune city, followed with the other Visarjan procession of other public Ganpati pandals. So currently I am at Dagdu Shet Ganpati Halwai pandal, from where the Dagdu Shet Ganpati will come to its main mandir, main temple, and then the procession will begin at around 4 p.m. today, followed by the Visarjan procession of the important 5 Ganpatis of Pune city, which are known as Manache 5 Ganpati, which are Kasba Ganpati, followed by Tamri Jogeshwari, then Guruji Talim, Tulsi Bagh, and then Kesri Wada. All of them have their own history and importance, but as I said, every individual in Maharashtra with heavy heart but yet with full enthusiasm are bidding adieu to their beloved Bappa today. And as you can see around me, that every devotee is here to seek blessings, and every individual here is chanting Ganpati Bappa Moria, Pudcha Varshi Laukarya, which also says that Ganpati Bappa Moria come earlier next year. So with full enthusiasm, the Pune city will be witnessing the peak cultural time or peak cultural festivities today in the entire city. There are many diversions, many traffic diversions done today, but yet people have started to gather here from morning itself.